to my channel. So I'm currently editing a vlog right now that I had from Puerto Rico. It's just like some bits and pieces of some clips that we had when we went to the rainforest, and I didn't want to let the clips go to waste, so I'm putting them together, and I want you guys to enjoy the vlog of the Yunque rainforest in Puerto Rico. It was a great experience. I loved everything about it. So yeah, so enjoy the clips. Bye.
All right, very important. Watch your step, okay? It will be more rocky and more slippery, more muddy. Okay. We are starting the hiking on the left hand side. How I said before, it is a little steep blind path. Okay, that's one of the towers. And once we get the next spot, I will stop for a few minutes to explain you about different flowers. Okay, over here we have bird of paradise. We have in red color. Ahead we will see a yellow color. We're missing one more color, but we don't have that color on the trail, and it will be in a pink. We have three colors for bird of paradise. Pink.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
How much rain here? Over 220 inches per year. Okay, the record 250 inches in 1 year. When it happens, like rains a lot here, it can rain about 5-10 inches in a day. Okay, when we have those type of heavy rain, where we are, they start to be flooding. Right behind all these trees over here is the river, but this area start to be flooding, more water running on this side, and will be like a creek. Probably in a day or 2 days later, the water start to come down, but left something behind. Actually, the sun is not too bright, but on my hand, I can show you some little. This is like a something gold, like a. I have on my hand. Okay, there's three ways to call it. You can call it gold flakes, Picari gold, or gold dust. You see it? Okay, but it's here we can see a few of them. Actually, when rains more, we can see more because.
Yes, Zaria!
What are you gonna do? Jenny!
I'm gonna tell her He's alive. Yeah. He's alive. Oh my God.
Zaria, you can do it, see?
Go ahead and do it.
Yeah, so
I ain't raised no pop.
it's just the initial height. It's gonna freak me out.
I ain't raised no pop, sorry.
Yeah, you can do it, see?
Alright, come on, Jenny.
No, we're doing it together.
Somebody just
They're not
Yay!
Memorize 30 hertz straight up. Memorize 30 hertz straight up. Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
Okay guys, so that's the end of my vlog. I hope that you enjoyed the clips that I put together that I had from the rainforest, from us walking through the rainforest and jumping out the cliff, and then we rode the ATVs through the rainforest. I only had like a little bit of the clips of the ATVs, not a lot. So I did insert a couple of our group pictures. I didn't insert like 2, but yeah, so that is my end of my vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.